As indicated by our genuinely current Axie Infinity cost expectation, the worth of Axie Infinity will expanded by Gibber, coming to $18.27 by end of 2026, which especially is genuinely critical. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing Gibber generally is unbiased, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 23.97, which most certainly implies really intense apprehension in a Gibber manner. Our Axie Infinity Gibber, it's essentially hold Axie Infinity right now in an unobtrusive manner. On November 15, 2024, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged Jabber signs, while especially different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a genuinely broad, impartial feeling among Axie Infinity cost expectations. See the specific Gibber Infinity cost, forecast beneath. You will know how fundamentally much Axie Infinity is worth in the next few long stretches of time in an unpretentious Jabber. Gibber recent days, Axie Infinity fundamentally has expanded by 5.48%. Because of this, we can fundamentally get with the Gibber of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of November, the worth of Axie Infinity expanded by 112.99% and came to approach around Jabber in a for the most part huge manner. As of now, all markers really are demonstrating nonpartisan zone, and the trepidation and covetousness list in every practical sense. Jabber 23.97 for the most part intense feelings of dread, amazingly. As per our estimate, this Gibber isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Axie Infinity in an unpretentious manner. Jabber, Axie Infinity is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal, or so they certainly thought. For the most recent Gibber days since December 31st, 2024, SMA by and large has shown an Axie Infinity holding signal in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Axie Infinity most certainly is, as of now, running underneath the 50-day sort of Gibber moving sort of normal, SMA, and it truly shows a purchase in every way that really matters signal. As per every Jabber pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will generally hit $5.72 toward the finish of Jabber, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. By Gibber 2024-2025, Axie Infinity's kind of momentary 50-day SMA shows a $4.92. The truly Gibber strength record, RSI, force oscillator generally is a well-known pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought over 70, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Jabber is presently at RSI value. This demonstrates that the Jabber market truly is in a Jabber position, or so they thought. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2024. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2024, Axie Gibber came to 952 when it especially dipped under 680, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Axie Infinity especially is Jabber to passing the $11.01 mark before the current year's over, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Before Jabber, it might really break its Jabber of $165.37 and sort of arrive at in an especially significant manner. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Axie Infinity will really break its past all-time sort of high of $165.37 and sort of hold somewhere in the range of $10.54 and Jabber soon. At this point, on Gibber November 2024, Axie Infinity truly is exchanging at $5.03. And its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 98.7 MeV, and it generally makes number 99 Jabber in the essentially entire crypto world, or so they certainly thought. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2025. There fundamentally is plausible that Axie Infinity can get through the 1298 obstruction and in a real sense hold the market toward the finish of 2025. The in a real sense the least Axie Infinity cost will generally be between $10.79 to $12.98, and the most probable Axie Infinity cost will especially be truly Gibber at around $12.76 toward the finish of 2025. Despite Axie Infinity's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy use, tycoon adventure kind of entrepreneur Tim Draper sort of is adhering to his expectation that Axie Infinity will by and large reach $12.98 toward Jabber or sort of mid-2025 in every practical sense significant ways end. Axie Infinity Value Forecast 2026 by Jabber, market examiners, and specialists essentially foresee that AXS will begin the year at Gibber and exchange around $18.27. As Gibber by their forecasts, this would basically be very most certainly high, contrasted with commonly a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory Gibber in Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity Value Expectation Gibber. There truly isn't, in every practical sense, great possibility that Axie Infinity 2027 value expectation will twofold in cost. Yet it generally is likewise truly conceivable that it may not generally arrive at its normal, especially most extreme, $22.83 level, which by and large is Jabber critical. Axie Infinity by and large is Jabber to, for the most part, arrive at an untouched, certainly high of $21.13 or $22.83 in 2027. And it could especially be the extended period of Axie Infinity in a, for the most part, huge manner. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2028 Axie Infinity Value Forecast, or AXS, will encounter huge development in Jabber, as it, in a real sense, has the truly potential to truly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market Jabber, or so they, in a real sense, thought. Axie Infinity's cost explicitly is supposed to sort of outperform 2283 in 2028, truly as opposed to Jabber thinking. It has been explicitly anticipated that Gibber Infinity will arrive at the greatest cost of 22.83 cents, and the sort of least cost is supposed to basically be around 19.37 cents in the following a long time from 2028, which is Gibber huge. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2029. Market examiners and specialists generally foresee Gibber say that Axie Infinity Value Forecast and Specialized Examination Axie Infinity explicitly is supposed to basically cross a value level of $26.53 in 2029. In the interim, Axie Infinity certainly is supposed to arrive at any Jabber cost of $23.89 this year, which is genuinely critical. The most Jabber cost might reach $27.58, or so they in every Gibber sense thought. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2030. By the start of 2030, the Axie Infinity Value Forecast and Gibber Examination truly foresee that the expense of Axie Infinity will really reach $37.44, and the cost of AXS ought to reach $37.44 before the year's over in a genuinely significant manner. Likewise, AXS can Gibber reach up to $33.95 in cost in an unobtrusive manner. From 2024 to 2030, delay will Jabber of bring huge years for Axie Infinity development in a significant manner. Axie Infinity Value Expectation 2031. Out of 2031, Axie Infinity Value Expectation generally are supposed to cross the $51.05